And welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
First up this evening, the police have confirmed that 5 men have been charged in relation to the country's largest ever cocaine bust.
The drug, valued at over 12 billion Jamaican dollars, was seized at a property in Havendale, St. Andrew just over a week ago.
The head of the JCF's crime portfolio, Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey, detailed those charges.
The persons arrested are all from Kingston addresses. Those arrested are 57-year-old Clive Roy Davis, 58-year-old Colin Ricketts, 51-year-old George Sterling, 42-year-old Clayton Peart, and 72-year-old Juna Aldane.
He explained that the Firearms and Narcotics Division, along with the local, regional and international partners, are pursuing other leads.
Since the start of 2024, the division's interdiction efforts have resulted in the seizure of 86 illegal firearms, 1,154 rounds of ammunition, 20,074 kilograms of ganja, approximately 67 kilograms of cocaine, with an estimated street value of just over $2 million. This figure does not include the most recent cocaine bust.